Sorry, I don't have Bouncy with me, so there's my hands. We are going to be going up to the Yoder's fuel island and car wash momentarily. We just got done work, and we're gonna wash the car. We were washing dishes, now we're gonna wash the car. As you can hear, the car wash is pretty busy. You might have been able to hear that buzz. I don't know if you did, but I did. Those who are watching might not have heard it, but I did, and we both did. Yep. Oh, jeez. Over there's the old wash system still sitting over there.
It's weird.
Yeah.
It's been what, how long?
It's been 7 months. And look at the price for gas. $3.05.
No, thanks, I'm good.
Gas on Friday.
Yeah. Did you hear the Yoder said the dog wash now? It says the dog wash.
Yeah, I got that.
It's new.
Yeah, it's brand new.
The
Dog wash is brand new. I'll go in the right bay again. We'll have to wait either way. Anyway, what we'll be getting... Oh, getting sprayed. Is this touch-free option, or touch FR. Don't need a receipt. We're going in already. The light is alright, it's already blinking go. So we're gonna go. This is a touch-free option, so we won't get any brushes. Big bumps.
The heck is that manual?
Oh man, big bumps. This is very narrow. Alrighty. I'll take the camera now. There should be no brushes with this wash. If we do, the window got ripped off. If it, my dad said he got ripped off with this wash once.
Not too much chocolate, like I said.
Would you give it a soft touch or a
The first one,
touch?
first one I'd probably do
Or would you do the soft touch or this touch-free one?
I'd probably do the touch-free one first.
This one.
Yeah, probably.
This is much different than the soft touch one. At least I don't think the brushes will be beating us today. No. It is a touch-free wash. Also getting triple foam at the same time with this rinse. Still spraying back there. Another pass. It's coming again. This time with the top, with the top sprayers. This time. That's not as bad.
No.
Missed the mirror. Getting some kind of wax now, I think. Even though this is a touch-free wash, it is very thorough. Oh, it was rinsing at the same time, too. There we go again. Seems like this wash cycle feels longer.
Yes.
It's just moving slowly. If I'd open my window right now, we'd get wet. But it would probably feel good.
Got the mirror.
They got the mirror that time. Another pass. I have a feeling this is the last one. Find out. It's shaking the car a little bit. This one's a bit more powerful. All the jets are spraying. The top and the bottom ones. Why, hello there, Mr. Brush. Alright, time to go. I was right. That was the last pass. Come on. 50 seconds dryer time yet. I'm trying to move as slow as possible. Down to 30 seconds. That almost sounds like thunder. There's like tornado force winds. I want to step out to see how it did. So yeah, we'll do that really quick. To see how much dirt it got off. Whoa! I forgot to shift it in the park. Oops. And it looks like It looks like it did better than the last car wash. Yeah. Looks like it got all the dirt off. Except for maybe except for that.
Except for that, yeah.
Yeah. That's a really hard spot to get.
Yep.
I'll have to do that the next time I go do a soft touch the next time. Anyways, that will be it. Thank you very much for watching.